Hey there, did you know you can easily remove a green screen from your videos in just 3 steps using Canva? That's right, stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful skill for all you content creators out there, removing a green screen in Canva. Whether you're making fun YouTube videos, creating engaging social media content, or just trying to spice up your Zoom calls, mastering this technique can really take your visuals to the next level. So, let's get into it. I have one pre-uploaded green screen video and one pre-uploaded background image. To incorporate the video, select it from the left-hand panel and double-click to place it. Select the video. Next, access the Edit Video function from the top menu bar. To access the background removal function, navigate to the Tools tab and click on Background Remover. It's that simple. Let's enhance the video by adding a background. Simply double-click on the image within the left panel to add it to your document. Apply the image as a background. Maintain visual harmony by adjusting the video dimensions to complement the proportions of the background image. Place the video where you'd like it to appear. I'd love to hear about your experiences with green screens. Have you tried removing one in Canva? Drop a comment below to share your tips or challenges. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.